Ingenious construction tools you should see. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Tech and Vision. In today's video we're going to talk about ingenious construction tools you should see. Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Battery ladder lift. Every day, workers in the construction and repair industries must lift heavy materials to considerable heights. Elevators constructed specifically for this purpose are frequently big, awkward, and expensive. As a result, Getter and German business has invented a material hoist that can be put on a ladder and take up no more space. The device can raise up to 120 kilograms of loose and liquid building material, as well as heavy blocks and slabs. The maximum lifting height is 10 meters, and the load platform moves at a rate of 15 meters per minute, allowing workers to achieve great productivity. It's also worth noting that the machine is free of any cables that could obstruct the operating procedure. The battery ladder lift will be useful in a variety of situations, including construction and repair tasks. The GEDA battery ladder lift is a compact, light, and portable lifting hoist that can swiftly and safely transfer a variety of building materials and tools vertically. The use of high-capacity 24V10 Leon battery eliminates the requirement for an electricity source, saving time on the job site. The novel remote radio control can also be used to operate it completely wirelessly. The GEDA battery ladder lift utilizes its variable loading carrying equipment to heights of up to 10 meters with a load capacity of 120 kilograms and a hoisting speed of 15 minutes. The battery ladder lift only takes 1.5 hours to fully charge at the end of the day, making it ready for your next project. Innova Tools Multi-Trowel. The flexibility of the following gadget allows you to speed up building and maintenance work greatly, especially when working on complicated surface with several bins. The Multi-Trowel is a radius adjustable trowel from the Canadian business Ingenious Tools. 4 adjustable metal components linking the working surface to the handle. As a result, it changes shape and may be accurately fitted to curvate of the surface, allowing it to be handled as a perfect circle or semicircle or square. It is up to the employee to make the decision. Blades with round or sharp edges are available from the manufacturer in various sizes. Working with plaster, drywall, or stucco will never be the same again. Rocomat Chameleon. The machine is intended to handle a wide range of surface preparation tasks in preparation for plastering and finishing. The Rocomat Chameleon is a German universal sander.
The Rocomat Chameleon is a universal sander from Germany. The working tool are 2 discs that rotate in opposite directions to each other. Each disc in turn is equipped with
2 discs that revolve in opposite directions serve as working tools. Each disc is fitted with 3 angled blades that remove a small layer of the surface as they rotate. The tool provides the worker with a wide range of options. This machine is capable of milling sand, cement, plaster, removing ornamental plaster, smoothing concrete, peeling wallpaper, and cleaning glue residue.
The tool gives the worker a really wide range of possibilities. Milling sand, cement, plaster, removing decorative plaster, smoothing concrete, stripping wallpaper,
to name a few. It also has a low weight of 2.4 kilos, speeds that can be adjusted from 120 to 600 per minute, strong strength, and the ability to work with a vacuum cleaner. The machine runs quietly and evenly across your work surface. The Rocomat Chameleon is regarded as one of the best and fastest wallpaper removers available. Finally, one of the machine's main advantages is the large number of accessories that can be installed. This enables you to simply handle practically any sanding task. Plate carrier. All building materials that are big, generally delicate, and have thin sharp edges are glass, sheet metal, varied slabs, and panels. As a result, they must be transported with extreme caution. The plate carrier, in our opinion, is the most practical instrument for the job. It's a unique holder designed for flat and hefty items. IQ Tools manufacture a variety of types for working with materials of various weights and thickness. The tiny holder, for example, is meant for sheets ranging from 0 to 40 millimeters thick, which one of the biggest can accommodate sheets up to 120 millimeters thick. In any event, the equipment capacity exceeds 100 pounds. This grip is solid and tight thanks to the rubberized holder.
In any case, the capacity of the equipment reaches 100 kilograms. The rubberized holder provides a firm, secure grip.
U.S.SAWS Cores EZ. The U.S.SAWS Core EZ is a modular, high-precision core drilling equipment that drills holes in concrete quicker and more precisely than standard drill rigs or handheld devices. This machine shines in jobs that need a great deal of mobility. Plumbers, mechanical contractors, fire sprinkler contractors, and pro cutters will find the equipment a faster, safer, and easier method to drill holes in concrete, whether they're up to scissor lift or down in a concrete vault. To swiftly and correctly guide the bit through the concrete, the device is set on a center guide post. The center mount solution removes the need to drill to offset holes for standard rig mounting and keep the core in place when drilling vertically. You can observe what core drilling looks like as well as the most up-to-date technology that makes the procedure easier and faster. The operating instrument is a diamond drill bit, which drills into the material as it spins, shattering the surface in circular motions while leaving the interior section intact. The drilling procedure is a spherical hole that is precisely flat. Core drilling is a technique used in construction to make holes in concrete walls and foundations. Following that, piles of reinforced concrete structures will be installed. The core easy drilling mechanism on the U.S.SAWS latches on the center of the core, decreasing the danger of tool misalignment. The rig is small and ideal for working in difficult to reach areas. Apart from concrete, it can also cut metal, as you can see. DeWalt DCE 151TD1. The 20V Max XR brushless cable stripper is a specialized, powered instrument for stripping electrical cable neatly and consistently without an exposed night. It easily strips copper and aluminum cable from 6 AWG to 750 MCMCU and 900 MCMAL, including quick release brushings and a reference chart. With this revolutionary solution for big diameter cable stripping, you can ditch the blade and boost production. It's advisable to use specific electric wire stripper like this one from DeWalt when you need to strip a big number of wires and cables in a short amount of time. The device comes with a case that has 20 various attachments that extends the tool capabilities. As a result, this wire stripper is suitable for cables with a diameter ranging from 6 to 750 millimeters. This item is also completely safe to use. It carefully handles the cable metal features, while the knife's closed shape protects the worker from injury. This device is part of the 20V Max SR cordless tool line, which means it can function for an extended period of time. Coal Bar Hammer. One of the most interesting Kickstarter projects we sponsored in a long time is the Coal Bar Hammer. If you think about it, the hammer selection at your local DIY emporium hasn't altered in a long time. You can acquire hammers for 15 various occupations. But you probably don't need a roofing hammer, a ball peen hammer, or a firearm hammer that might pass for an axe. Every man and lady, in our opinion, need at least one amazing hammer. The Coal Bar will be a venue. At first glance, the hammer resembles an erector set, till it folds out into a separate crowbar, then it separates, allowing you to strike the crowbar with your hammer. After that, you may use it as a ratchet, T-square, and roll. It's fantastic. The creators of this instrument refer to it as the 21st century hammer, though it has little resemblance to previous hammers. At first glance, it appears to be average. When the tool is unfurled, the construction transforms into a crowbar with many purposes. Because the angle between the handles is set, it may also be used as a measurement instrument. Finally, when you push the core, one tool separates from the other, giving the worker access to both a hammer and a crowbar, as well as a screwdriver bit via the hole. The device starting price is $55. Ruby Hole Marker. Its simplest gadget replicates and transposes the location of holes for pipes, water or light fittings, electrical boxes, or any other element encountered by expert tilers during a tile installation. From the wall to the ceramics for later cutting or drilling. The greatest range of action from the reference corner is 65 centimeters, which is the maximum length of the diagonal marker. The Ruby Hole Marker is really easy to use. At least 3 tiles must be positioned around the hole to be marked. We must look for the exact point of the diagonal with the template after placing the triangular part of the marker in the corner formed by the already installed tiles, then tightening the screw and locking the position found. Workers must frequently undertake extremely precise work during the building of kitchens and bathrooms in order to transfer the location of the holes from the wall to the ceramic tile. The tool you can see on your screen, on the other hand, is ideal for this work and allows you to complete it swiftly and easily. The Ruby Hole Marker sticks to the tile and recalls where the hole is located. All that's needed is to move it to another tile and label it appropriately. That's pretty much it. The drilling phase may now begin. The tool's maximum length is 65 centimeters, allowing you to deal with tiles of nearly any size. FXAH120. Landscapers and tilers can use vacuum lifters to raise a range of materials with ease. These strong tools can handle suction-tight concrete slabs, natural stones, tiles, and other suction-tight building materials with ease. They may be utilized flexibility and safeguard the slab edges during laying because they are battery powered. We've already discussed building materials that are notoriously difficult to transport, but sheet metal isn't the only one. Take a look at these hefty, massive boards for example. Lifting and moving them for future installation is tough in the first place. Second, working with the substance puts the worker's health at danger. This is why the Pro FXAH120 is a must-have on the building site. It's a vacuum lifter that tightens the grip on a concrete or masonry slab. The handle is available in 2 sizes, one for 1 person and the other for 2 people. Surprisingly, the tool's lifting capability is 120 kilos, much above the weight that a worker can handle. The probes to SVC Uni. The manhole and cone insulation clamp is another piece of equipment from the same German firm. The method for installing a well is substantially eased with its assistance. With a single motion, the operator moves from grasp to release. As a result, a single person may handle the whole transit process. The model can work with working sizes ranging from 620 to 1500 millimeters. Standard bolts are used to swiftly attach extra units that change the clamp's diameter. There is no need to adapt from switching from rings to cones. Even though the machine weighs only 100 kilograms, the SVZ Uni has a load capability of up to 2500 kilograms. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing video from us.